In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at creating work orders while doing inspections. Quite often when we're doing our inspections, that's the time that we realise that something needs repairing. So this is quite simple. We just go to Tenants, we choose Inspections, and I'm going to open one of my inspections down here and view record results. Now there's a tab over here for work orders. So all I need to do is go in there and type the description of the job that needs repairing, or whatever needs doing. And I can actually create more than one work order for the inspection. So here I'm actually going to create two work orders based on this inspection. So I'll just say OK to that. So that's created my two work orders. So if I now go to Work Orders, Properties, Work Orders, there's the two work orders that I just created. And if I open one of these work orders, because it's linked to an inspection, I can see it's got an option down here to open the associated inspection. So I can click on that, and that gets me back to the same inspection that I used to create that work order in the first place. This can also be done on the mobile phone, the creation of the work orders. So when you're doing your inspections on your mobile phone, Android or iOS app, you can also create your work orders there.